Grandpa's. Well, maybe you'll have some experience. Can't be any worse than that Square Boys. Holy crap, that was bad pizza. That might have been the worst pizza I ever had. Hi, how are you? Good. Could I get a mini pepperoni pizza?
So mini is that one. Is that okay?
Yep.
You need anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Here.
Awesome, thank you. Perfect. How long should that take?
It will take around 15 to 20.
Okay. Thank you.
Maybe a little longer than that.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day, bye.
You too. Goodbye. Welcome back. By the Slice, Big Dave. Grandpa's Pizza, Pickering, Ontario. I got to tell you, I went to Square Boys, Square Guys, Square something pizza. Paid a lot of money for a pizza that was way subpar. Let's check this sucker out. Right off the bat, I got to say that looks better. Made in the proper oven. Let's get a couple of pictures of this thing. All right, let's take a closer look at it. This is a mini. They have several sizes. It was cooked on a screen, but it is a proper oven. Did I say the price of this? $12.50 plus tax for this pizza. Not terrible. You can buy a pizza in here for like $8, a 10-inch for lunch, for like $8 for two toppings. So far, it looks like a pretty good value. They got specials every day, walk-in specials, lunch specials. They got more specials than they got menu. Let's take a bite of this thing. Not much flop. I like the crust. The sauce could be a little better. The cheese, maybe a little higher quality it could be. The pepperoni's not bad. But all in all, well, if you compare this to Square Boys, this is a much better pizza. So we'll have to reflect that in the score. I'm going to give this thing a, I don't know, a 6-7. 6-7, Grandpa's Pizza, Grandpa's Pizzeria, Pickering, Ontario. Let us know if you've been here. Let us know if you'd eat this. Thanks for watching. This is By the Slice. I'm Big Dave. Big Dave.